Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Comm. I'm Comm, got my boy over here, Torment, in the facility. Today we're gonna be making one of the best recipes, in my opinion, for the holiday time. Kind of fills your heart and soul. Gonna be making some eggnog here. To be making this eggnog, got some ingredients with me. For these ingredients, we've got 4 eggs, which we're gonna be splitting into egg yolks and egg whites. I've got 2 cups of whole milk, 1 cup of heavy cream, a 1/3 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon both of allspice and cinnamon. Let's get into it. All right, first step, we've gotta crack open these eggs and separate the egg whites from the egg yolks. I'm gonna try to do the first 3, and then we're gonna see if we can get Torment to do the last one. He's not
I'm nervous.
Experienced in the kitchen, but I've got faith in him. First, you gotta crack open the egg. There we go, got it cracking open a little bit. Now I'm gonna try to break it into 2 different parts while keeping the egg yolk in half of the egg, so I don't drop it in there and I can try to filter it out and juggle it back and forth. Let's see if I can manage this. It's been a minute since I've done this. I did it when I made carbonara. Good so far. Also be prepared to get egg on your hands.
Definitely seeing that.
Yep. Drop the egg yolk into here.
Not bad.
All right.
Number 2.
Number 2 coming right up.
That was a clean crack.
Thank you. And that should be good for egg number 3. All right, boss man. Egg number 4 is all yours.
Egg number 4, no pressure. How's that?
That's good, that's good.
That's good?
That's good.
I've cracked a couple eggs
So you
before.
just kind of push your fingers into the hole a little bit and pull it apart. So put it like, yeah, you want to kind of break it in there. Otherwise the egg will explode in your hand, kind of like that.
Did I mess up?
No, I think you're good.
It's hanging there though.
Wait, there you go, that's good.
All right.
Nice.
All right,
Great work,
drop that in there.
Yep. Next up, breaking out the mixer, which I know is gonna be Torment's favorite step. First, I need you to beat these egg yolks until they lighten in color. Is the first step.
What level should I do here?
Probably the lowest, because there's not much volume in here.
I'm looking for lighten in color.
Yeah, so just beat them for a little bit and lighten a little bit. Eggnog is honestly a perfect holiday beverage. It's both nutritious and filling. It's a lovely beverage to share both with friends and with family when you're at a party or you're eating with each other. And all around, I think it really ties the holidays together. I think that's about good.
That's good?
Yeah.
Oh, that was easier.
Well, you're not done.
Oh.
Next up, we need to add in the sugar. We're gonna add it in, and now we have to dissolve all of the sugar in here.
Am I gonna have to mix it again or no?
Get to mixing. We gotta stir this in, so I'll pour it while you keep mixing.
Oh, while I
so
do it?
keep mixing, yeah.
This is teamwork right here. Is that cream?
Yep, that's cream. Next up, we got the milk. So you thought that was a lot. There's more milk than there was cream.
Is that all going in?
Yeah.
Not for the whole office, probably.
All right, vanilla extract.
Am I still going?
Oh, careful. Yeah, keep it going, little bro.
Keep it going.
Yeah. You probably don't need to tilt it anymore.
Good point, good point.
This is allspice, which is some combination of spices, including nutmeg. I don't exactly know what combination. All right, I think that's probably good for this.
Thank God.
Good job.
My arm was losing it. My arm was losing it.
Okay. Next up, gotta beat the egg whites. Next
soft
up,
peaks. See,
Torment.
this was the thing that got me last time, was the soft peaks. Because I still don't even know what they look like. This is weird. It's moving weird. My arm is really tired.
Keep it going. Look at him work. Look at the max.
This is my workout for the day.
Oh, you're getting close. I can feel it. One more. Let's push it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and add the sugar in now. I think we're getting close.
Sure.
All right, let's give it a test.
How's that?
Ooh, this is a judgment call right here. I don't know. All right, you ready? 1 more tablespoon of sugar coming.
Should I start going?
Go, yeah, go ahead and start.
Okay. Oh, my bad.
All right, give it a test. And peak's still stiff? Looks like it to me.
Looks pretty stiff, yeah?
Yeah, it looks pretty stiff. Time to incorporate this into there, and then you're gonna have to mix the 2 together. What can I say? I'm a chef.
That was clean. That was clean.
Alrighty, Torment.
All right. And
you're back in it. Yeah, we're not trying to like beat them now. We're just trying to mix the whites and the yolk mixtures together.
I'm just gonna do big circles then. I think they're kind of gone.
Yeah, just give it like 5 more seconds. I don't know. Play it safe. Get it all mixed in there.
They're all gone.
All right, Torment, you're officially done whisking.
It was a hard day's work for sure.
Yeah, me too. It is time for us to chill this. We're gonna throw it in the fridge, then we're gonna serve it up, top it with some cinnamon. That's it.
Nice. I'm excited.
Alrighty. I know you're kind of tired of standing there, Torment. Had you waiting there for well over an hour. Just pulled this out of the fridge. It's chilled. It's time to serve. Here we go. And that'll be yours. Final step, most important. Time to pour way too much cinnamon. Ready, pal? It's time.
It's time.
All of our hard work gone in.
A lot of whisking, a lot of mixing.
Cheers.
Cheers.
That's your first eggnog experience.
It was good. I like it.
Solid eggnog.
Solid. Yeah.
Solid.
First time making eggnog and first time trying eggnog.
Me too. That was my first time making eggnog. I thought it was good.
It was good. Yeah, I like it.
Glad to have spent this lovely holiday evening making eggnog with you, Torment.
You too. It was a great time.
Glad you liked it, Torment. One more thing though, not only is this incredibly delicious, as you have found out, it's also a good source of protein, good source of a lot of nutrients and vitamins. Actually pretty healthy for a holiday drink, all things considered.
That's awesome. That's great to hear. Could use it for the gains maybe.
Yeah, gonna go hard in the gym now.
Yeah,
All this protein.
pre-workout
Yeah.
eggnog for Christmas.
Yeah, it's gonna rebuild those muscles after the whisking.
Yep, exactly. It's good stuff.
Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. Hope this eggnog looked half as good as it tasted. Thank you Torment for coming over here. And for those of you that are interested in this recipe and many more, check out savorrecipes.com.